Welcome to Math Time with your favorites, Will, Duke, and Timmy. Our topic is quadratic functions. So here we go. We got a four-stepper here. First one is A. We've got to take the equation, express it in standard form. So he's rewriting the problem because he's a good student. Now, what he's going to do is to complete the square to get it into standard form. No, I don't like completing the square. Ooh, ouch. This problem is uglier than your mom. God. Okay. Well, he's still doing it.
Tell him why that.
So we have to multiply the 9 by 2 because we factored out a 2 originally. So if you're not accounting for that 2, you're going to mess up somewhere. And there, boom, that's A.
Standard form.
We're going to part B right now. Go.
Sketch its graph.
Sketch its graph. So we know the vertex because it's HK, and since our H is -3 and our K is 12. Oh, it's just 3, excuse me. Okay. Well, since we know that, then that's a good start, right? To start graphing it. That's a good place to begin. We can also find our y-intercepts by plugging in 0 for the x, and we just get 30 because they get rid of the other two terms. There are no x-intercepts, and the reason why that is because it's above the x-axis. The vertex is above the x-axis, and it is positive because a value, which is 2, is positive, so that means that it's going to be opening upward, which means we will not have any x-intercepts. Look at Timmy go. So first he's plotting the vertex. That's a good place to start for this parabola. Another point that we know is 630.
Why is that, Will?
That is because we just know.
We take 3 is in the middle, so we add 3 to the other side, and we know that the y-intercept is the same distance. Alright,
Yes.
so that's part B. Part C,
Moving on to part C now.
the maximum and minimum.
Finding the max and minimum values. Here we go.
Only be a minimum.
There will only be a minimum though because it opens upward and there's only one dip.
The minimum is the K value,
It's 12.
and will also be the Y value of the vertex. Finally, the domain and range.
You're stealing my fire here? You're gonna start talking? I thought this was my job.
You weren't doing a very good job. You weren't talking.
Wow. That's...
The domain in this problem, Well,
the domain in this problem is the x values, and since there are 2 arrows and the x values go everywhere with no restrictions, we can just say all real numbers. The range is the y values, since we have a restriction on there because the y values do not go all the way down. They only go to 12. We will include 12 and go all the way to positive infinity. And that's it. Peace out.